सबसे आगे रहते हैं।
Ka Central Executive Committee jong kaseng United Democratic Party UDP kala pedang ya ka rai bala shim da ki nong yalam ka UDP bat ka Hspdp ka bala long ha ka nyau tarik minta ubnai ban ya Kyrshan lang ha ka ni ki election Lok Sabha banwan na ka shillong parliamentary seat. Habakran berkilat pathai khubor henen kesngi u President kaseng UDP uba medba lingdo uloong bana kabenta katura parliamentary seat kaseng kala hakarai jong ka State Election Committee ka kentup yakidkhot jong ka core committee bat kinong yalam barangba nakathan Garo Hills. Shu uloong ba ka CEC kala padiang ya ka jingjit jong kidkhot na ka State Election Committee na ka benta ki election MP but MDC ka banlong house nam arhajar arfusaw.
And for the Kura parliamentary seat, it was decided to leave it to the State Election Committee, which will be the members from those who are members already in the core committee, along with few senior leaders of the party from Garo Hills. And today, the CAC also has approved the selection of members of the State Election Committee. And this State Election Committee will be for the MP election and the MDC election as well.
Sure, President ka UDP uloong ba kaseng kala ay ya ka jingkit kli ha ka State Election Committee ban pet yakimat bayaday bat kibakwa tiket ban yakun na kaseng UDP. Kajhat